If you're searching for a straightforward and flexible way to earn money online, freelance writing could be the ideal choice. It allows you to work from anywhere, pick your projects, and set your rates, making it a great option for generating extra income. Here's how to start. Choose a niche. Focus on subjects you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Specializing in a niche makes you more appealing to clients looking for specific expertise. Create a portfolio. Write a few sample articles to showcase your skills. Even if you're new, a strong portfolio will help you attract potential clients. Join freelance platforms. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These sites connect you with clients in need of writing services. Ensure your profile highlights your strengths and features your portfolio. Pitch to clients. Proactively reach out to businesses or individuals who may need your writing services. Tailor each pitch to their unique needs to improve your chances of landing jobs. Deliver quality work. Consistently producing high-quality content and meeting deadlines will help you build a strong reputation, leading to repeat business and referrals. Tips for success. Stay active. Keep your portfolio updated and remain engaged on freelance platforms to attract more clients. Network. Connect with freelancers and potential clients on social media and forums to expand your opportunities. If you found this guide useful, please like and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Your support helps me continue providing valuable content. Thanks for watching.